So the Suburban is gone, and what we have here is a 2000 Grand Prix GT, not supercharged, naturally aspirated. I put it on some 18-inch MSR tires, 245s, 4018s, black leather interior. Oh, blacked out the tails. When I got the car, these two doors were dented in, so I got to find me some more white doors. I got the roof rails painted white. Found them in the junkyard, along with a 40th anniversary spoiler. I paid like 50 bucks for all three of them. She's pretty quick. I think I'm gonna turbo it instead of doing a top swap on it. Lower it down some. I took the strips off the door, make it look cleaner. Everybody seems to like it. I love it. That's my baby. I need to drop it about 2 or 3 inches all the way around. Everybody like the rims. I hate them. I want to paint them black. Leave the center cap chrome. Get some white leather tires on it. But yeah, man, this is what replaced the Suburban. I know I make a video in a minute. Yep, this is her. 2000 Grand Prix GT. Beautiful.